Use your talents for Christ.
Hello?
Game Maker. Buddy, you sound horrible. Please don't tell me you're still moping around. I know the NBA All-Star Weekend was a while away, and some people may believe you're going through a midlife crisis or something. You know, I seen the post online. But hey, look, I got this huge opportunity for you. Pack up your stuff, go to Disney Springs, NBA Experience. Yo, kill the combine. I see all them silly videos you do going through your memory.
Come on now.
Hey, so you have an opportunity. Get an NBA and don't blow it.
Let's get it. With the first pick in the Disney Springs NBA Experience Draft, the Chicago Bulls select GAME7MAKER00 from Kewanee, Illinois.
Now let's see if you have what it takes to get the calls correct in the pressure cooker.